he's done it.
It's been 1 day. 1 day, Joseph.
I don't know how he's done it.
Oh my days. Welcome back to MK Sportscars and welcome to 2026. Well, I hope you all had the most amazing Christmas and New Year with your family, friends or whoever you're spending your special time with. Well, while you was doing that, we was beavering away in the background, not building cars, bit of time out, but also some time out in the workshop to get some stuff done. We like to build nice cars here. We need a nice environment to do it in. So we decided to basically refurbish all the floors on the back here. So Joseph, myself and a few of the other team members here, we cleared it all out. We got some equipment in, courtesy of James. Thank you, James, for that. Sanded all the floors down, cleaned them all up properly, and then repainted them all in this special oil-resistant type base paint. Seems to be quite durable. We'll see how it stands up. But what we do like is when we're building these amazing cars, we want to have a nice environment to work in. So this is it, and we'll show you a little montage of how we did it. So that's it for the start. A little teaser for 2026. I'm looking forward to more videos, more guys you've seen, shows, events, track days and everything else, and building these amazing cars here at MK Sportscars. Remember to like, share, subscribe, but I'll catch you next time.